many new members and Mr. Senthil from Tirchi Education Center. So my name is Saurabh Kumar. By profession, I am a mechanical engineer, and right now I am working as a researcher here in University of Ulsan, Korea. I was introduced to Atomy by my just applying Dr. Rupesh, and since my joining, I have chance to learn a lot of things from my applying like Dr. Rupesh, Vishwajit, Jennifer, Justin, our Seron Rose Master and Royal Master also. So I'm trying to learn every day, and I'm also trying to grow as fast as I can. So this was all about my brief introduction. Now coming to today's presentation, the topic for my presentation is life scenario. Uh, Life scenario is not a very big thing. Life scenario is just why you are here into Atomy and what's your future expectations from Atomy with a brief timeline that what are your expectations when you want to achieve, and then you do the detailed plan that how I am going to achieve that. It's not the life scenario only for Atomy. It may be for your different goals. Suppose you have to appear for an civil services exam, and the exam is after 2 years. Then you plan accordingly that what is the syllabus, how much I have to cover in 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, and then based on that syllabus, you achieve the target step by step. That means for 1 week, this is the target, for second week, this is the target, and you keep updating those targets. And after the achievement of the local targets, that means small targets, you complete the whole syllabus in 2 years, and then you go for exam and you complete that exam. And based on your preparation as well as your performance, you get success in that exam. So now going ahead with my presentation, that I was already explaining that what is life scenario. So we all know that Atomy is a system which allows all of us to become a part of Atomy, use that system, use that platform, and use while using those that platform, we can achieve our goal. Goal can be anything. It's not like that all person present here are in the need of money. They all are not here for only for money. Your goal may be financial freedom. Your goal may be to help others to get success. So it is a system which allows you to get success. But just by sitting idle, it doesn't guarantee your success. That you become a distributor of Atomy, you got a global distributor ID, and you will be successful. This never happens. It's like you participate in the exam, but you write nothing in the paper. So definitely you are going to fail, right? In the same way, Atomy is a system, but just being a participant, you cannot get success. You have to, if you are entering into water, then you must learn swimming. You have to perform, then only you are going to get success in Atomy. So like if I have to go to Delhi from Bangalore, so what I will take, I have many options: road, by train, or by plane. So if I talk about road, so I will take a road, but I don't know the exact demography or the geography, that how I should go, where I should take turn. So Atomy, in the same way, Atomy is a road to success, but you have to walk by your own. If I have to go to Delhi, I have to drive my car by my own. So what the life scenario does? Life scenario gives you a roadmap that how you should go, where you should go, and where you should stop, where you should get take turn. And in the Atomy, it's not like today I have joined and tomorrow or within 1 week I will become Royal Master. It's impossible task, because we have seen the success stories of many leaders like Imperial Master of Royal Masters. In spite of doing a lot of efforts, it has taken years for them to reach to that level, right? In the same way, taking small steps matter. It is not possible that within 1 week I will be Royal Master. So I have, or everybody present here will have to take smaller steps. That first I will become sales master. In how much time I need to become sales master, then diamond master, and then I can take successive steps. So small steps matter. That's why I was explaining about exam, that you have to by considering the syllabus, you have to make small arrangements that in 1 week what I have to complete. So this is all related with the your smaller success. A life scenario is a guide for your journey in the Atomy system. It's a like real-time GPS that if you are going by road to Delhi, you will use GPS. So what GPS does that if you miss any turn, it customizes. That means updates your route again. That now you have to take U-turn or you have to take different route. So in the same way, your life scenario is a continuous process which you keep updating based on your achievements. That I have to speed up or I have to be little slow. So live scenario is also like real-time GPS. And we all know that not only Atomy, in any part of your life, any sector of your life, success is not easy. It requires time, plan, action, and dedication. If you follow all these steps correctly, efficiently, and with your honesty, because you can't lie to yourself, you have to be honest with yourself. So if you follow all these steps honestly, definitely you are going to get success. So life scenario, what is life scenario? Life scenario is desperate goals or expectations from Atomy with much more detail and timeline. It's not only dream, it comes with all the details that how I am going to reach to that dream. Next question may arise that how we can write our life scenario. So if you go to Atomy website, they have clearly defined a way that how you can arrange your life scenario. That is the least you must do if you are going to do business with Atomy. But if you love your dreams a lot, you want to be more specific and more detailed explanation of your dreams, goals, and plan, then you can add more based on your abilities or your desire. But the least which is offered by Atomy's website, you must do uh, those little things. So first, what are the steps? Uh, First, you have to do that. You have to sit uh, in peace, and then you have to create a bucket list of all the goals in your life. That suppose I am doing PhD, so my goal would be that I want to do postdoc in top university in USA or Canada. So in the same way, you have to create all the bucket list. It may be 1 page, 2 page, 3 page, and it's not only bucket list. You have to also add the timeline that if I want to do postdoc or I want to get job in XYZ company, then in which year I want to do job, like 2022, 2024. So you have to be that much specific. It should be in measurable quantities and it should be possible. I cannot write in my bucket list that someday I want to go to sun. It may be possible in coming future, nobody knows, but for me I don't think that it will be possible. So after making all the whole bucket list, you have to divide into 8 specific goals following 80 to 20% priority rule, which I think we all know that you have to prioritize your task or your need. And then you have to create a life wheel. What is life wheel? It In Atomy, we always say that Atomy asks you, or Atomy believes in creating a balanced life. So this wheel is for balanced life, where you try to create a fulfilling, loving, learning, and contributing life. Because your responsibility is not only for you. Your responsibility goes towards your team members as well as your society from where you come. So here they have a like flesh that to live. This belongs to your current situation that is living, that they have different choices you can choose. And then spirit, to love, it may be your parents, your family, your wife, your friends. Then environment, from where you come, what you want to contribute to them, what what you want to give them back. And then soul, to learn, to what you want to learn. So how you have to update these things? You have to give your present condition, that where you are and where you want to be, present as well as future. And in the same way, when you write these present and future expectations, then you have to make it measurable, that where you are, suppose you are here, in this section you are here, and by doing that you have to make a circle. And this depicts your whole life scenario. This is a whole broad picture of your whole timeline in Atomy. Now you have to make it specific, come to the local level. That means I planned my whole life in Atomy, but now I have to plan year wise. That if I am here right now, I am suppose only a distributor, then when I want to become sales master, what is the year? How much time I am going to take? So you have to plan short term. Here you have to plan year wise, that suppose Right now it's 2021. So in 2024, I should be Diamond Master. In 2027, I should be Crown Master. And in the same way, you have to plan because everybody will have different life scenarios. And in Atomy, we all know that here we are not only for our own success. We have to make our team member also successful because after becoming sales master, you all know that your success depends on your downline members, the number of members you make successful. Because to be a diamond master, you should have four sales master under you, right? So you have to plan for your team also that in 1 or 2 years, how many sales master or how many diamond masters I'm going to make. So your responsibility goes to your team in addition to your own success. And after that, you have to be more specific. You have to go for months that in months, suppose I have set a goal that in months, I will arrange XYZ seminars that I will attend maybe 5 seminar, 2 seminar, and how many people I will approach. You have to also add that. And then how many products I am going to use in a month, how many people I am going to introduce the business, and how much effort I am going to make into this business, how what I have to learn in a month. You have to set that target, and after setting monthly, you have to become more specific. That is daily goals. What are daily goals? That when you wake up until you sleep. When you sleep, it's like writing your whole day diary. That I set this target for my whole day, and what I have achieved, what I did not do. For example, that in your daily you can add that how many pages of the book I will read, how many persons I will meet, or how many persons I will contact for my business, how many times I met my upline for counseling or for help. So you have to be more specific in your daily goals also, which you can evaluate. And we all know that consistency is the key. How it will help you? Because uh, life scenario every day, if you are setting certain target, then you have to evaluate it that whether I was able to do it or not. It's not like if regularly I wake up at 11 a.m. So it's not possible that coming tomorrow I will be able to wake up 4 a.m. I have to make it eventually. That means in smaller steps. So let me tell you about my life scenario. This is my life scenario that regarding my education, right now I'm in my PhD course, so I have planned that I'm going to complete it by this year end. Then I have to also gain expertise in my research area. That is, I am working in the field related with smart factory and digital twin. So I have to become expert in that area also. And regarding learning, which mostly belongs to my business, that is, every day I have to read at least 10 pages of the book, and every month I have to read around 3 to 4 books. Then I have to listen to talks from our upline like Royal Master as well as the speakers which speak in success seminars. Then I have to learn more about Atomy because Atomy is something it's never possible that you will get to know everything. It's successive in successive manner you will get to learn about Atomy. Then I have also my goal that I have to spend time to learn Korean, and then sponsored consultation that I will try to meet more and more to our upline like Royal Master because I'm in Korea, so I have chance to meet them personally. And regarding Flesh to Live also, I have my own plan. Uh, I think I'm not aware about time, so I will try to summarize it in faster way so that other speakers get a chance to speak. That in business, I want to grow my business as much as possible. I have set the target for myself that by September next year, I want to become Diamond Master, and by 2027, I want to become Imperial Master. And it's a global introduction of my dreams and goals in life scenario in Atomy. It's not detailed plan, it's just a goal, but I have to decide in after differentiating everything that how I am going to reach that target that I have set. And this is not I don't have a lot of time to explain all those things. Regarding family, that I have responsibility towards my family because my parents are getting old, so I have to take care of their retirement plan. That they should retire now, they should take rest, they should enjoy their life. And in environment that the society from where I came, I would like to serve them more. That during this COVID situation, a lot of people have got affected. So I will try to donate the nearest person who are in need. And then regarding nature preservation, also my work belongs to Green Car and Smart Factory. So I will also try for plantation. And in coming future, I have planned to buy a Tesla car, the e-vehicle, by year 2026. So this was about my life scenario. And in the same way, everybody can have their own life scenario, and it will be definitely different because each one has different life plan for their life. So the another thing is, with time, every time you have to get it updated because it's like real GPS. With your achievement, you have to keep it updated and set new targets. Suppose I become diamond master, then my life scenario will be different once I become diamond master, because I will now my target would be to make more and more people successful in my downline, right? So this life scenario is a varying thing. That means it will have to be updated every time, and you have to do it. And I hope that everybody present here gets success, and I hope to see you all at the top. That's all from my side, and thank you very much.